I want to start by talking about Glue Mobile, because what's going on with that company, with your company, is really interesting. You've gone from sort of one hit to many hits.
No, that's right. I mean, look, we're kind of spearheading what I think is a Hollywood trend, which is that celebrities are trying to effectively work directly with people like ourselves to reach their fans and cut out, I think, studios, labels, other traditional intermediaries. So Kim's the first of many, actually. As you know, we've also recently announced Katy Perry.
And Katy Perry. Let's talk. So your company, you know, $225 million and $23 million in sales on a trailing basis. Kim Kardashian is a big part of that. The growth rate in your sales has been very impressive. Talk to me about the Kim game. And let me share an anecdote with you. My 9-year-old is limited to an hour of screen time every day. Wanted to play with my phone one day, and she launched the Kim Kardashian game, which I have on my phone. And she's like, "Dad, this game's kind of dumb, isn't it?" And I looked, and like 20 minutes later, she's still playing it. There's an addictive quality, I guess, to that game. Talk to me about the gameplay and how you made that so good. It's not just enough, I think, just to have a name like Kim Kardashian attached.
Pioneering experience. I mean, we worked on that engine all the way back in 2011, 2012. It was a great experience, even without Kim involved. With Kim involved, we've really brought to life this, what I call transmedia storytelling, right? Where Kim's telling this narrative about what she's doing every day through social media, print, her TV show, and gaming's the next channel that matters. So I think we're really a new media company that is helping facilitate transmedia experience. People like Kim, people like Glue gamers are finding that we're part of, you know, a world that's a lot bigger than just one individual phone.
So you started the development of the game long before Kim was attached to it.
We did. We perfected it actually before she got involved. We knew the game was going to work. What we didn't know was exactly, you know, the phenomenon that it would become. But I had a sneaking suspicion that it could be something rather special.
How did you, get in touch with her? How did you get her involved in the project?
Well, we were looking, in 2012, I thought long and hard about the future of Hollywood, the future of Glue. And I actually went to Hollywood and did a couple innovative, seminal partnership deals. We're doing a James Bond movie game, we're doing a Terminator game, and Kim was one of these 3 deals that we did. All of this is impacting now. So Kim's game launched last summer. We have 2 or 3 more games that are exciting with Hollywood this year. And Kim, I started working with probably in early 2013, believe it or not, where we started discussing what the concept could be. I went originally through William Morris, which was her agent, right. But she got the concept immediately. And I knew we were onto a good thing because she actually is an authentic presence with all her social channels, and I knew it could be even more authentic through a game, which in a lot of ways, if you think about it, Kim builds a lot of value for Twitter and Facebook and so on, indirectly. Her own game is something that is her brand, and so by spending more time with a company like Glue, she's actually building long-term brand equity for herself.
Now, in your SEC filings, you guys talk about building the company as a gaming as a service.
Yeah.
What does that mean, game as a service?
Yeah, that's a great question, and we'll talk more about it, I think, this morning. Games today on phones are not, single download, short S-curve wonders like going to see a movie or going to download a DVD. Ultimately, we're building services that look more like annuities, more like a web portal. Yahoo's in, its 20th year or something like that of operating, and they have pretty consistent revenue. Same thing is happening with big game franchises. So Glue Games, as well as our other competitors in the space, have a number of really large franchises that I think will go for many, many years. And I actually think the Wall Street's underestimating how long these annuities go.